Introducing the Nightscape Dash Camera from YI Technology. Powerful night vision recording, capacitor dash cam design. With a large 2.4-inch LCD screen. Simple setup means it's ready to go in 5 minutes or less. Once you start the car's engine, it begins recording, so it's ready to go when you are. Record exceptionally detailed footage in crystal clear 1080p, and with a 140-degree field of view, you can cover 3 lanes of traffic. High-quality Sony imaging sensor means you also capture colorful images with all the details. Minimize the potential for human error while driving with the Nightscape Dash camera. Wide dynamic range algorithm overcomes the issue of dimness and overexposure. The YI Nightscape Dash camera helps make the safety of you and your passengers the #1 priority. This is the smartest dash camera on the road, the Nightscape Dash Camera from YI Technology.
BlackVue for your safe driving.
Are you driving for a living? Looking to protect yourself and your vehicle at all times? Meet BlackVue DR900S 2-channel IR 4K cloud dash cam with interior infrared camera. The ultra-wide front camera catches everything happening ahead in 4K Ultra HD resolution. With infrared LEDs, the driver-facing camera produces clear videos even in total darkness, so you can feel at peace while driving or letting your BlackVue monitor your parked vehicle. In case of accident, transferring videos to your phone is quick and easy thanks to advanced compression and fast Wi-Fi. When away from your car, receive alerts on your phone and check on your vehicle instantly, or view later the event videos automatically uploaded to the cloud. BlackVue DR900S 2-channel IR. The best video protection for you and your vehicle.